Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Express session from Rose Camp. I'm outside about to head into the gym. It's already cranking in there. A few staff already going, so I'm going to get on with it. Something a little different this week. I'll see you at the other side.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There we go, another good session. As you can see, the party's still going on in the gym. But real change up today using the cardio equipment, which if you know me well, I don't do a lot of. But when I do it short and I really enjoy it. See you next week.